So to actually replace the cable, because the glands for the Starlink are underneath the solar, I actually had to basically remove these front two solar panels. Now I could have moved them all the way back, I could have taken them off, I could have done a whole lot of things. But actually what I think I'm going to do is I think I can get to the gland that I need to get to, which is the one on the far side there. It's the one all the way on the end. And that is the cable that I actually need to replace. So I'm going to undo, it's the one on the other end down there, but I'm going to undo this and get all of this loosened up and everything so that I can then attach the new cable to the end of this cable and then just pull everything through from down below and basically end up just completely replacing this cable. So this is where we're going through the roof up into the gland up top, and you can see that I have basically taped the two ends together. So this cable, the old cable that's in there, has a USB-C end on it, and the new cable has the Starlink DC connector on it. So now I'm going to pull that on up through the rest of the way and hopefully get this big old chunk of things through the gland and everything, and then we'll be mostly done. Okay, so that's actually the new cable that we have right here, but all is not perfect because I actually ended up pulling out this entire piece from the gasket itself, and so I'm gonna have to get that put back in one way or another, and that could be a lot of fun to do because I cannot easily get back in behind this gland to put the nut on the back side of this. But we've got what we need to actually get this done. What I might end up doing is I might just end up screwing this back in as best I can and then just caulking it super well and letting that hold it in. We'll see how that goes, but the important part is done, and now it's more or less just getting everything cleaned up and fixed. So this is basically what this looked like underneath. So you can see that I just had the sorry, I'm trying to do this with too few hands, and so basically just what's underneath here is just more of the same cable, and then right here is where the DC port is for the Starlink itself. There you go. That's just kind of how they're taped together.